Welcome to MBA 500 Business Perspectives. I'm excited to have you here as we begin this journey together. This course serves as your foundation for the entire MBA program, and it's designed specifically with your career success in mind. Whether you're coming straight from your undergraduate studies, returning to advance your career, or pivoting into a new industry, this course will give you the integrated business perspective that today's leaders need. Over the next several weeks, you'll work with real companies, analyze real business challenges, and develop skills that you'll use immediately in your professional life. In the real world, business challenges don't come neatly labeled as marketing problems or finance problems. They're complex, interconnected, and require you to think across multiple disciplines simultaneously. That's exactly what this course prepares you to do. You'll explore strategy, leadership, marketing, accounting, operations, business law, data analytics, and human resources, not as separate subjects, but as integrated parts of a whole business system. Your major project involves analyzing a real company, and you'll apply concepts from all these areas to develop comprehensive insights. This interdisciplinary approach, career trajectory. The integrated perspective you develop here becomes the foundation for every course that follows. Whether you're pursuing a career in finance, marketing, healthcare management, or any other field, you need to see the big picture of how businesses operate. Our alumni have gone on to leadership positions at companies like Morgan Stanley, Amazon, Deloitte, Goldman Sachs, and many others. They consistently tell us that this foundational course gave them the comprehensive business literacy that set them apart. You're building cross-industry skills that apply whether you're working at a Fortune 500 company, a startup, a nonprofit, or launching your own venture. The ability to analyze a business holistically, to see connections across functions, and to make informed decisions. These are the capabilities that will accelerate your career. You're not alone in this journey. Iona University is known for its culture of care and support, and you'll experience that throughout this course and your entire MBA program. You have access to the MBA Career Ready site, which you'll use starting in this course and throughout your program. It provides practical tools and resources for professional development. As a core course, MBA 500 is taught by full-time faculty who are here to support your learning and help you make connections throughout the program. You also have access to comprehensive academic advising, library resources, and student support services. Whether you're balancing work and studies, navigating technology, or seeking career guidance, we have resources designed specifically to help you succeed. Many of you are working professionals, some are international students, and you come from diverse academic backgrounds. We've designed this course with all of you in mind. As we wrap up, I want you to remember 3 key things. First, this course gives you an integrated business perspective that will serve as your foundation throughout the MBA program and your career. Second, you'll develop practical, applicable skills through team-based work and real company analysis. This isn't abstract learning, it's preparation for the challenges you'll face as a business leader. And third, you have comprehensive support available to help you succeed, from faculty to advising to career resources. I encourage you to dive into the course materials, connect with your team members, and take advantage of all the resources available to you. You're beginning an exciting journey, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's get started.